Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today topic is random variable and probability distribution long answer type question. Question is the probability distribution of a random x is given below by the table, this table. Then we can find the value of k and mean and find the variance of x also. Okay, let the solution is by the given table. First of all, we can finding the value of k by taking the sum of probability. Sum of probability is always 1. Okay, let summation I equals to 1 to n. 1 to n means here only 1 to 5. So that's why 1 to 5. Probability of x equals to xi. I equals to 1 to 5, yes or no? X equals to xi means now first x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Then that is the 1. Okay. Now taking the sum of probabilities. K plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 5k equals to 1, yes or no? And sum of total k plus 2k, 3k, 6k, 10k, 15k. 15k equals to 1. Then k equals to 1 by 15. Okay. K equals to 1 by 15 by this formula. Okay. Sum of the probabilities 1. Okay. The next one. Find the mean. Mean formula is mean equals to summation I equals to 1 to 5 xi into probability of x equals to xi. This is a mean actually. Okay. Now mean is denoted by mu. Okay. Then we can substitute the values of xi. Okay. Xi, this is a xi, this is the probability of xi. Okay. Then 1 into k, 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 into 3k plus 4 into 4k plus 5 into 5k. Yes sir. Then total 1k, this is a 4k, this is a 9k plus 16k plus 25k. Now total is 5, 14, 30, 55k. Okay. Then that equals to 55. Actually k equals to what? K equals to 1 by 5. 1 by 15. Then 55 by, shall I cancel? Like this we can cancel. 5 3s are 5 11s are. Okay. 11 by 3s are mean equals to 11 by 3. Okay. It is a mean value. And now variance of x. Now variance of x formula is variance of x. It is a variance. Variance formula is summation I equals to 1 to n. N means 5. Then xi square into probability of x equals to xi minus mu square. Okay. Now this is a formula for variance of x. Okay. We can substitute the values. xi square, taking squares of xi and multiplying with the xi, probability of xi. Okay. Then 1 square into k plus 2 square into 2k plus 3 square into 3k plus 4 square into 4k. Okay. Plus 5 square into 5k minus mu square nothing but 11 by 3 square, 11 by 3 whole square, leave it. Okay, let 1 square into 1 k plus 4 into 4 8 k plus 3 square into 3, 3 square is a 9, 9 into 3, 27 k plus 4 square is a 16 into 4, 64 k plus 5 square is a 25 into 5, 125 k minus 121 by 9. Okay, then how many k's are there? Let's count it. 5 plus 4, 9, 16, 24, 25, 25. 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 10, 12. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2. 225 k minus 121 by 9. Okay, then 225 into, now k is nothing but actually 1 by 15. Yes, sir. 1 by 15 minus 121 by 9. Now, here cancellation like this. 15. 5 3 is a, first of all, 5 3 is a, 5 4 is a, 5 5 is a. Okay, and also with 3. 3 1 is a, 3 15 is a. Okay, then 15 minus 121 by 9. Okay, now 9 is the LCM, 9 15 is a 135 minus 121, then that equals to 5 minus 1 4, 5 minus 1 4, 3 minus 2 1, and by 1 minus 1 is a 0 by 9. Okay, this is nothing but variance, 14 by 9. Okay, k equals 1 by 15, mu equals to 11 by 3, and sigma square equals to 14 by 9. These are the values. Here we can observe 3 important formulas are there. First one is a sum of probabilities of 1, and mean formula, and variance formula. These 3 are important formula for this type of problems in random variables. Definitely you should learn these 3 formulas. Every problem, maximum 99% problems are depending on these 3 formulas only. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and share my videos. Okay, thank you.